Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can you work out this proportion question? Most people find it difficult. Let us solve it step by step. The question says 16 tailors can sew 30 clothes for 15 days. If 4 more tailors join them, how many days will that work be completed? From the first sentence, we can see we have 16 tailors, 30 clothes, and 15 days. I can summarize this in this way. We have tailors, the number of clothes that they sew, and the time used. In the first sentence, they say there are 16 tailors, so I will write 16 tailors. They can sew 30 clothes, so they sew 30 clothes in 15 days. They use 15 days. But if 4 more tailors join them, now they are going to be 16 tailors plus 4 that they join. How many days will that work be completed? That means the number of clothes that they are going to sew is the same 30, and we need the number of days that they are going to take. Let us put the bracket here, and then we are going to cross and multiply. We are going to take 16 plus 4 multiplied by 30 multiplied by x. This is equal to 16 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 15. Let us add 16 plus 4. We got 20 multiplied by 30 multiplied by x. This is equal to 16 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 15. Since I need x, I'm going to divide by 20 multiplied by 30 on both sides. So I'll divide by 20 multiplied by 30. And here I'm going to divide by 20 multiplied by 30. By 21, by 21, by 31, by 30 I get 1. By 31, by 30 I get 1. By 5, 4. By 5, it is 3. By 4, 1. By 4, I got 4. So the value of x is equal to 4 multiplied by 3. We got 12. These are days. So if we add 4 people to the previous 16 people, the work is going to be completed in 12 days. I hope you understand this proportion question. For more questions on proportion, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.